This cap is called an Okpu agu, which means leopard hat. It is an Igbo cap for men that have shown exceptional bravery as a warrior. The NZBD depiction of leopard spots can be found on the hat. It is the symbol of a black triangle. The position of the cap determines the mission of the brave warrior wearing it. The positioning of the tail of the hat and the meanings may differ based on the village lore. Here are a few. The tail of the cap is the ball that hangs at the end. When the tail of the cap faces the back, the warrior is sharing a message that something negative has happened or is currently happening. When the tail of the cap faces the front, it means that he is going somewhere very important. His life is moving forward and aligned, or he is being led by the one who leads. When the tail of the cap faces the left or the right, he is in a good mood, attending a wedding or some form of celebration. This hat is not to be worn by random people. It is a part of Igbo culture. We thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. To find out if you are a DNA cousin of any African DNA kits in our database, visit our website for instructions. Select the contact feature and follow the steps provided. You can also purchase a journal to write your own true ancestral story.